everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Karina Barreto. I upload makeup tutorials here and there. I also accept any suggestions you guys may have. Feel free to let me know down below in the comments section if you guys do have any requests. For today's video, I actually decided to create this beautiful, amazing look. Yes, as you guys can see, I am wearing yellow once again. I'm not lying when I say I've been feeling really obsessed with yellow lately. I really hope you guys love it as much as I do. And don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. And make sure to also follow me on Instagram. So I'm going to start off by using my concealer. So the other day Amy just grabbed my concealer and she was like, let me try all of them. So that's why it looks like a mess because, yeah. And I'm just going to apply this on my lid. I hope you guys actually enjoy watching me do this kind of videos. If not, let me know below in the comment section what you guys would like to see. Yeah. I'm not afraid to switch things up, so feel free to let me know, okay? Okay? Don't be scared, don't be shy, just go for it. Now I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and just tap the concealer. There you go. Now we can put the tape. And I'm gonna be using my 10 color blush palette. You guys have seen me use this before, so it looks just like that. And I'm going to be using this blush right here as my transition. And I'm just going to be applying this all over my crease. Now I'm just going to be taking this other blush right here, this beautiful blush right here, and also apply it on top of this one. I don't know if you guys have noticed that I've been using yellow a lot. I just don't know. I've been so obsessed with yellow. It's crazy. So now I'm going to be taking my mineral powder shades. Just looks like this, and it looks just like that, the yellow that I'm going to be using. And it is powdery, so you want to be really careful. I never do my foundation first. I always do my foundation last when using these shades. And I'm just going to be applying this yellow on top of my lid. It's okay, don't be shy, don't be scared, just go for it, just go for it, just go for it, just go for it, just go for it. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with my previous shade from my blush palette and just clean that mess up. Whenever you guys are ready, go ahead and remove the I absolutely love it. Ooh. So moving on to my eyeliner. I don't know how it's gonna come out. I haven't done a wing liner since a long time ago. I don't know. I don't even remember when the last time I did a wing liner was. So I was on BH Cosmetic website and I was reading the comments on the eyeliner, and a lot of people seem to love it. So I was like, let me go ahead and order it and see how it works. And so far I love it. I like how it creates the wing liner. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to create a wing liner and see how it comes out. So yeah, I might have to speed it up a little bit because I do take a while doing my wing liner. So do they look different, guys? Tell me if they look different. Tell me if they look different. Ni se nota, ¿verdad? Nada más quieren decir, ah, sí se nota. Well, no se nota. Moving on, I'm gonna be using, you guys know which one I use. If you guys do not know, con mucho gusto les digo. I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetic Liquid Foundation and my True Match. I do have to go on the search for a new one because Amy me lo tiró todo. So this thing was full. This thing was full. It was full. And I only paid 50. Oh, my fucking heart. Se me cayó todo mi powder. I feel like I want to do a little bit of concealer. I never actually like apply concealer because I don't know if it's just me that I don't know how to apply it, or I'm not choosing the right color, or I don't know what it is that it never looks good on me. But anyways, I'm going to be applying concealer. A ver cómo me sale. So I want to mix these two because I think that's the right color for me. I'm also going to be applying this dark ass one that I have right here. I've never done this before. I'm doing it just because I want to see the results. I just want to see if I'm good at doing this. Sponge. And now I'm just going to be using a different brush for this part. A ver cómo sale. So it's called a natural bronzer that I'm going to be using to face. I am not going to be using any blush just because I feel like I already got a lot of going on. So I'm going to be using this highlight that I recently got. I'm going to be taking laser. I'm going to be doing my lashes off camera just because I feel like I take such a long time doing them. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Now I'm just gonna go in with my previous shades that I used, which was these two from my blush palette. And then, so I'm just gonna be applying these on my lower lash line. So guys, if you guys have not followed me on Instagram, feel free to go and do that. I will leave my Instagram right here, so make sure to go and follow me. I post bomb ass pictures. So I'm going to be using Siren 677. It looks just like that, and yeah, let's see. Well, yeah guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how it came out, and I also hope you guys like how it came out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to think about subscribing down below. I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and share it with friends, family, neighbors, whoever you feel like sharing it with. I would really appreciate it, guys. So yeah guys, I don't think I have anything else to say. So yeah guys, until next time.